Yo, guys, man, check this out, man. Ain't that cute, guys? Little tiny kitten. I think it's gonna want to try to go home with Matt, guys. Oh. Hey there, kitty kitty.
Yeah, he's a nice little kitty cat.
Hey, guys. Check him out. Hey, kitty.
Yeah, somebody must have let him go. It's cute.
Somebody probably dropped him off here, guys.
Yeah. It's cute.
No. I wonder how long he's been here. He's probably hungry.
Yeah, he's probably really hungry.
Oh.
Look at that, man. That's an awesome kitty cat there, guys. Yeah, it looks great. It's licking you all over, making bread on you. It loves you. And knows it ain't going to hurt you. It's going to a good home. Yeah. Very cool. You like shaming, guys.
What's this extra baby? She ain't like that.
No.
She ain't like that sound. Oh,
Cute.
so adorable.
Oh. Blue eyes, come on. Psst, 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 psst.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh,
Hey.
they're the pretty blue eyes.
Yeah, everybody wants to see your blue eyes, baby.
Pretty blue eyes.
Saw the car. Beautiful little kitty cat.
Hey, guys, man, yes. So we got a little bit of water here. We made it in a makeshift Wawa cup. And the kitty cat is thirsty, but she doesn't understand that this is water. But she'll take it off my finger. She's licking herself right now because she's licking the water off herself.
Yeah.
There you go. She licks my finger.
Yeah.
But she doesn't understand this is how to drink. She was licking my finger and my arm all day. Oh. She's licking me mad.
Yeah.
I think she's thirsty and my skin is salty. We was trying to give her some water.
Yeah,
But
I think
also
she's still a little too young to.
Also do so
wean.
far is lick my finger. Here, try and drink some water, honey. I know you're thirsty. There you go.
I think she's still a little young. Yeah.
Well, she's got a drink, man.
Yeah. She's not sure. But once they start, though.
Maybe I just gotta set it there and let her do it herself. Maybe like we're forcing it on her or something, man. Hey, yo, guys, man, Shane here. I don't want to be too loud. I don't want to wake the sleeping beauty, guys. She's so sweet, man. She all tired out. She had a busy morning, guys. Yeah, man. Hey, guys, check it out. She was so hungry, we didn't know if she was alright. She was sleeping, and we were worried. She must be very hungry and weak, but she definitely woke up for the food.
Look at her. She's starving.
Aw.
So we'll give her some more. She probably haven't eaten in days.
She was so hungry. She was laying there for a while, guys. We didn't know if she was going to be alright or not. I'm so glad that she's eating.
Look at that. And she does have teeth, so she's
definitely old enough.
Definitely old enough.
Yeah, we looked it up on Google how to know if she's old enough.
Getting a little bit on her, but
that's alright, we'll clean her off. We can get those little cat wipes so we can clean her up.
So that means she probably won't.
She probably won't need the milk, right?
No.
Yeah, look at her.
Look at her. She's. Oh my. It's adorable, guys.
We gonna fall in love with this kitten, man.
This is the cowboy way, guys.
This is the cowboy way.
Yeah.
The kitten cooking show.
Right off the pickup truck front seat, guys.
She needed that food so much. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
she did.
I thought she was. I was just glad that she's able to eat, because I didn't know if she was able to eat solid food or she needed to get that milk.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
She's
so
starving,
hungry.
man.
She's so hungry, guys.
Like I said, she probably hasn't eaten in probably 2, 3, 4 days.
What kind of food is that, man? That's a good food.
That's chicken. They all like chicken.
Yeah, I mean, but what brand?
That was just
Farm and Family?
Farm and Family.
Tractor Supply?
Tractor Supply.
We're definitely going to have to get her some wipes.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to clean her up.
I don't want to give her too much because she'll be
You don't want her throwing it up.
yakking. Give her one more little.
How do we get her to drink water? Earlier we were trying to give her water.
She'll probably drink it.
She'll drink it now?
Yeah.
I got her little water bottle or water dishes. Check it out, guys. These are what I got for water dishes. Yes, so see, we have 10 of them, so we can just, you know, they're disposable. So that's what I got her. Plus we got her this little basket. We got that at Dollar Tree for $3. And I got her a little mouse toy. And we got her all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
We got the dropper bottles just in case she needed the droppers, but it looks like she can eat solid food.
Yeah, I think she's a little girl.
I got her a cat, well, him or her, but I got him a little mouse, a little toy mouse.
Yeah.
What else did we get her? Oh, I got her a little baby bottle, just in case she wouldn't drink out of the other thing.
Yeah.
And then we got her.
Okay, well, I think that's enough for now, guys.
Hold on. And we got her these too.
Yeah.
Lickable cat treats. So we got her all hooked up, guys. Got her all taken care of. Right, man?
Yeah.
I love the little bed I got her too.
Look at her little tongue hanging out.
We're gonna have to get cat wipes and clean her little body off.
Yeah.
Because she's gonna smell like chicken, man.
Smell like chicken.
She gonna smell like chicken. Oh, I'm so glad she ate. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We were so worried, guys. All right, we're at Walmart, guys. We're gonna go get some cat wipes and stuff, and just so we can clean her up and stuff. All right, guys. We'll be back in a little bit. I want to stay here in the truck with her.
All right, check it out, guys. She got her own little mousey.
You got the mousey.
Yeah.
Who got a mousey? Who got a mousey?
Yeah, she's still tired and weak. Yeah, she's falling asleep on us right like that. Look at that. So she's pretty, you know, she ate really good. So,
she got a little mousey, though.
Yeah, she got a little mousey for her friend. And
so she won't be lonely.
Yeah. Yeah.
She got a mousy friend.
Yeah.
Still got a mousy friend. Oh, look, there he is.
Yeah.
Get it. Get it. Oh, that's so cute, man. Ain't that cute?
Yep. She don't want to make of it.
Yeah, but she likes it.
Yeah. So right now we're here at Tractor Supply. I went and got some more cat food. She seemed to really like it. So we just went around the bend here and got some more for her. She's licking herself off after a nice tasty chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Yep.
Oh, Matt, check it out. She got like little white paws and stuff. And she got the little tuxedo.
Yeah, I think it's a little boy though.
Well, he or she, I don't know, the
Yeah.
kitty. Little baby, look at the white paws.
Yeah.
It is a little tuxedo. It might be a little tuxedo boy. Yeah, man, check it out. Kitty cat's taking a bath.
Yeah.
It's kitty cat bath. And check out this basket, guys. It makes a perfect bed, don't
It's
it?
a kitty cat in a basket, guys.
Yeah. Kitten in a basket.
And she's so content, you know, having somebody hold her and gave her some food, and she's just washing her little purrs off, all her little paws off.
Purr paws.
Yeah, she's purring a little bit.
Yeah, she was purring and she was making bread.
Yeah.
That's when they go like this, right, man?
Yeah. So we did a real good deed saving her, guys. Look at that. How could somebody deliberately throw the cat out? You know. It was in the road in the parking lot. Next to the road, we went by the road. I turned around and then we went into the parking lot, and you know.
It's a miracle.
Yeah. Didn't have to chase her or nothing. She come right on over to me.
She or he?
I think it's a he, but a little too small to
know
right now.
Definitely healthy.
Yeah.
Definitely healthy. Because it was crawling up me, and I had a hard time of trying to get all the way over my shoulder.
Yeah.
And she's got some muscles, or he's got some muscles.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, because she definitely had some resistance.
Definitely happy now. Definitely happy.
I think the bed is a definite hit.
All right. Here we go, guys. We got to get going here. Hey guys, here's Shaman with the newfound kitty cat.
Hey guys, man, check it out. Look, here's the little bundle of joy, man.
Check it out.
Here's a little bundle of joy.
Still licking its chops, so it's
Yeah, still got the the Mickey Mouse. Is that a Mickey?
Yeah.
Is that a Mickey?
Yeah.
It's a Mickey. Yeah, guys.
Beautiful little kitty cat.
This is the little bundle of joy I'm about to take to Juliet, guys.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna have visitation rights.
Yeah.
But she's gonna be the mama and take care of it.
Yeah.
Of course, Daddy gotta have some visitation rights too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful kitty cat.
We don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet, guys. So when we find that out, we can come up with a name better. So.
Yep.
When we find out what Juliet wants to name it. Check it out, guys. It just had its lunch. Now it's sleeping.
Yeah, now it wants to sleep. Okay, guys, so Shaman's gonna take the kitty cat down to Juliet's house.
Yeah, man.
That way we get to keep it.
Juliet's gonna be the mama.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have visitation rights.
Yeah, it's a beautiful cat. Yeah, very cute. All right, guys. There you have it.
All right, guys, man, check out Mav.
Yeah, we got the little baby kitty cat here. Now it's got a full belly. It wants to sleep. We're gonna find a.
It wanted to sleep, but then it was running around for a little while too.
Yeah.
Right after it ate, man, it had a little burst of energy.
Just bringing them right up here.
Check it out, guys.
It's very cool.
Oh, hello. Guys, what do you think we should name it? I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet, though. So
we found them in near the road in the parking lot, and I turned the truck around, went over, and it was against the curbing. So I stooped down, and the little kitty cat started to come over to me, and I picked him up. And
well,
he's checking me out now.
You guys will see, guys, because we have that footage of when Mab originally found them.
So we believe on saving the animals and stuff like that, and sending them to better
homes.
Places.
We got the perfect home for this one, man.
Yeah.
Juliet's gonna love this one.
Yeah, look at that.
How can you not love that?
Look how small.
I found the perfect bed, guys.
Yeah.
Found a perfect bed.
It smells more. Smelling the chicken.
the chicken cat food that we got.
Look at this guy.
This cat loves being held. Loves to be pet.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, guys, check this out. Check out Mav's hat, man. Tractor Supply, right where we're at, man.
Yeah.
And check this out, guys. Check it out. TSC, Two Sexy Cowboys.
Yeah. That's funny how fate works out, guys.
Yeah, man.
Look at that. Got the carriage ride, guys.
He's bathing himself, herself.
So we're gonna definitely relocate the kitty cat to a better place.
To Juliet.
Yeah.
But I'm still gonna have some visitation rights.
Yeah.
But she can be the mama.
Yeah.
Right, guys.
There we go.
Alright, so we come up with a name for you. I'm just gonna call you the kitty cat. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, man, come with us. And we're about to go deliver the baby, guys. And I'm gonna be Daddy Stork. Yeah, man. And we're gonna go deliver the new baby to Juliet, man. Yeah, y'all. And, y'all, much love. And we'll see you in the next part of the video. Yo, guys, and if you're feeling what we're doing, man, you want to help support the channel, you know what to do, man. Thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, yeah, man, we got no Patreon, guys. The channel is not monetized. We do this out of the kindness of our hearts, man, to make this world a better place, yeah, man. And, yo, you want to help us out, like I said, comment, like, and subscribe, man. It's a way to support the channel and support our efforts and what we're doing. So, yo, if you're feeling us, ring-a-ling-a-ling, ring my bell, ring my bell, ding ding, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm done playing around. We will see y'all soon. As soon as we get to Juliet's house, man, we heading there right now. Come with us. And yo, peace, man. Guys, man, check it out, man. Here's something that I'm gonna be sharing with Juliet, man. It's half and half.
Yeah.
Half mine, half hers.
Okay.
Right, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just saying it that very night because she don't know what it is, so it's still a surprise.
Alright.
But she'll know what I'm talking about. Alright, Juliet.
Yeah.
I get to open? Now I need to see your face, Juliet. No, be careful with it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. A kitten. Drop it. You're the mama and I'm the papa.
What does it do with that? My parents are no parents. I have no little box in my womb.
Oh boy.
Oh. Is it a boy or a girl?
We're not sure.
We're not sure yet.
Is it a little girl?
Yeah.
It could be either.
We just put it in a bag so you wouldn't see what it was.
Oh, you're so cute. The gift from Maneuvers, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. You're so cute.
You're the mama and I'm the dada. Got a little toy mouse too.
Oh. Oh God, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Cause my parents said no more kitten.
Oh boy. They're gonna love this one though.
This one
It loves attention. I mean, it really does.
It loves to be held. I held it for hours.
Hello.
And it loves riding in the truck.
It is really sweet.
Cuddles up and just goes to sleep in your arms.
I held it like this the whole time today, and it cuddles right up.
I think I'm gonna name you if it was a gift from Anubis.
Well, I was thinking if it was a girl, Cleopatra. If it's a boy, I don't know, Tutankhamun.
Is it a boy?
I don't know.
We're not sure yet. You have to check him out. Her out.
Well,
can you tell? Because I don't know. It looks like it might
Yeah.
have twigs and berries. I'm not sure. It might have a twig and berry.
well, that's what you are.
Can you put the thing down so we can what's that? Tailgate.
Tailgate down.
Put
Okay.
the tailgate down so we can set it down and she can check it out.
You gotta have an Egyptian name.
So, what do you think you guys might name her?
What do you want to name it? The little bundle of joy.
Oh. He or she is so cute, guys.
We're gonna try and see if we can figure out if it's a boy or a girl.
Yeah.
It's got blue eyes too.
Yeah.
Is it gonna stay with blue eyes?
I don't know.
Not sure.
It's got blue eyes.
Definitely been weaned because it's got teeth and it loves to.
And it
ate a little bit of the chicken food.
The cat food.
Yeah, we have food for you too.
Yeah, we got 2 cans of cat food.
3 cans.
3 cans.
Yeah.
And we got little lickable treats and we got all kinds of stuff.
And it's got his little toy mouse.
Don't
Keeps
give
him
it
coming.
milk though. No milk. Because
No
you
milk.
don't want to have diarrhea.
No milk.
Just the cat food and
And water.
What am I supposed to give it?
We
Water.
have food for you. Water and the food. We
Yeah.
got 3 things of food for you.
Yeah.
We'll keep bringing it. But we got 3 to start. And it loves it. You'll see the video we took earlier. It was dogging that food.
Yeah, I think it's.
Okay, you can text me and send me what I'm supposed to do with it. Because last time I messed up with turd and I'm not doing that this time.
Yeah, no milk whatsoever.
No milk. Just cat food.
What about the imitation milk?
You could get that, but I believe it's already weaned. So I believe all you have to do is just give it water and some food next to it, and I think it'll go on from there. Later on,
They
it'll
do
start
have
eating.
cat milk you can get.
Yeah,
And if you want us to, we can probably get that at Walmart. Or
Yeah.
you could get it at Walmart, whatever.
yeah.
Oh, you're so cute. Get your little bill.
It needs a lot of attention now. It's
Needs a lot
once
of love.
once lovins.
It wants to cuddle up all the time. It slept on me for about an hour and a half,
More than that.
2 hours.
I'm gonna name you. Well,
Raw.
That's cool.
if it's a boy or a girl, it can be that one.
Hmm.
Any boy or girl can name Ra.
That's
It's
correct.
the strongest name from the sun.
Yeah, Ra's a good name. Very good choice. So there you have it, guys. The kitty cat's going to be named Ra.
Because it's a strong name from the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come down, we'll bring food or whatever, and, you know, I gotta have my visitation rights and everything, right?
Okay, well, I'll give it a 10-day trial. If it doesn't work out, then I can't keep it.
Alright, fair enough. If not, we'll take it to the SPCA and drop it off. But I think you're gonna get so attached you ain't gonna give it off.
Yeah, I think everybody's going to like him.
Yeah, your
I was
parents
like,
will.
what I do now, I'm not feeling good. My ears hurting. And
I
I'm
said,
like,
that'll make you feel better. That
Yeah.
cheered you up.
huh?
That cheered you up. Made you feel better.
Yeah.
You're so cute. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's been outside for probably part of a week.
Are you going to be a cuddle bug?
Definitely a cuddle bug.
That's going to be your male name.
Cuddles.
Cuddle bug.
Raw cuddles.
I think after he eats a little bit,
This
and
is raw McMuffin.
I think after he eats a few times and gets some drink in him, I think he'll be a lot better.
My little McMuffin.
Yeah.
Good.
I think he was been out in the rain too.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Are you scared? Don't be. Got a new mommy. And don't be crying all night either.
Yeah, you're the
I
mommy.
still sleep out in the living room.
You're
Yep.
the mommy and I'm the daddy. And daddy bought
You
a
like
house.
mouse?
Yeah.
You like to play with mouse?
He's not sure yet. Probably play like with a feather and stuff like that and some string.
I still got papers now.
Yeah.
And we got some other goodies for it too.
Oh. Like my mom sees it, and it's scoop. I'm gonna be big.
Alrighty, guys. So there you have it.
Of course, I gotta come have some visitation with it. And
Yeah.
I bring food for it and whatever else you need.
Okay, let's go home. Don't jump out, okay?
Just cuddles up in the basket.
Let's go home. Am I keeping it or are you taking it back home?
No, you're keeping it. I'm gonna come visit you.
Okay. Is your baby too?
Yeah, I'm daddy and your mama. You spent all morning with dad, didn't you? Oh. Oh.
Okay, let's go home. I gotta do a lot of things when I get home. Before they get home to do things.
Okay.
My little ditty box.
Yeah, when we come around, whatever, you can bring it out and we can spend time with him.
Okay.
Or her. And as soon as you find out if it's a boy or
Thank you.
girl.
Alright, guys. So there you have it. Found a new home.
Okay. Get home.